classes for class 9 in continuation to the previous class of Pythagoras theorem. The topic that we are doing is Pythagoras theorem. Now in the previous class we have already discussed up to question number 6. Now I am taking question number 8, then 10, and then I'll see if it is proving question. I will be taking one by one. Now in question number 8 they say the hypotenuse of a right triangle is 6 meters more than twice the shortest side. So we have assumed that let BC be the shortest side. I am assuming this is the shortest side and I am assuming the length of this side as x. Then they say hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is denoted in the diagram by AC. They say hypotenuse is 6 more than twice the shortest side. Means twice the shortest side is 2 times of x and plus 6. This is the hypotenuse. So here you can mention 2x plus 6. And what do they say about the third side? They say third side is 2 meters less than the hypotenuse. Third side is AB, that is 2 meters less than the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is AC minus 2. AC is how much? 2x plus 6 and minus 2. When we solve it, we will get it as 2x plus 4. So the value of this side is 2x plus 4. We have to find the sides of the triangle. So we know that according to Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse of the square, that is AC, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So other two sides are AB and AC. So we are writing AC square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to AB is one side and BC is other side, and BC square. Now AC is given 2x plus 6 and its square. AB is given 2x plus 4 and its square, plus BC is simply x, so x square. When we will open it according to the identity a plus b whole square. So a square, that is 4x square, plus b square is 36, plus 2ab, 6 to the 12 to the 24x is equal to 2x square, that is a square, that is 4x square, plus 4 into 4 16, plus 4 to the 8 to the 16x and plus x square. Now this 4x square and this 4x square will cancel. 16 this will be can be written as 36 minus 16 is equal to 16x plus x square, and 24x comes this side, minus 24x. So 36 minus 16 is 20 and 24 and 16 is minus 8. So you will get x square minus 8x is equal to 20. It means this comes in the form of quadratic equation, x square minus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. This 20 comes to the side. Now 20 has to be factorized in such a way so that you may get 8. So we know 10 into 2 is 20 and 10 minus 2 is 8. So it means this can be written as x square minus 10 minus 2 into x minus 20 is equal to 0. So this will become x square minus 10x plus 2x minus 20 is equal to 0. From this we can take common here x, that is x minus 10 is left, plus 2. So x minus 10 is left is equal to 0. So x plus 2 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. If the product of these two numbers is 0, it means either this is 0 or this is 0. So when you put x plus 2 is equal to 0, you will get x is equal to minus 2, and when you say x minus 10 is equal to 0, then this will be x is equal to 10. So this is, distance cannot be negative. Distance cannot be negative. So we can say that x is 10. Now x is 10, so it means BC was equal to x, so BC is 10. Now AC can be written as 2 into, AC is 2x plus 6, that is 2 into 10 plus 6, that is 26, and AB is 2x plus 4, that is x was 10, so 2 into 10 plus 4, that is 24. So sides are AB is equal to 24 meters, BC is equal to 10 meters, and AC is equal to 26 meters. That is the final value. Now we move on to the 10th question. Now next question is question number 10, that is I am taking. They say in a triangle ABC, so I have drawn a triangle ABC. They say AD is perpendicular to BC. So I have drawn AD perpendicular to BC. We have to prove that. The question is prove that. What we have to prove is AB square plus CD square, AB square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Now you can see ADB is a right angle triangle. At the same time ADB is a right angle triangle. Why? Because at point D the AD is perpendicular to AC, and perpendicular means 90 degree. So first we can say in triangle ABD, according to Pythagoras theorem, we can say AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB is the hypotenuse. This is one side and square of this side. So square of AD plus square of BD is equal to square of AB. So that is what? AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So from this we can say that AD square means this can be written as AB minus BD. So that is AB square minus BD square. This is one equation that we have got from first triangle. Now let's move on to the second triangle. So in triangle ADC, what do we have? AC square. Again, according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. Hypotenuse square is equal to AD square plus DC square, sum of the squares of the other two sides. So from this also we can say AD square can be written as AC square minus DC square. This is equation number 2. Now equation number 1 is also equal to AD square, and equation number 2 is also equal to AD square. If this is equal to same value, this is equal to same value, it means these two are equal. So we can say from equation 1 and 2 we get, what do we get? This AD, or in place of this AD we can write this value. So AB square minus BD square is equal to AC square minus DC square. In this AD, in place of this AD, we are keeping the value, or we are substituting the value from equation number 1, that was AB square minus BD square. So AB square minus BD square is equal to whatever it is written, just copy it down. AC square minus DC square DC square. Now if you bring this minus to this side, it will become positive. So AB square plus DC square is equal to AC square and plus BD square. This minus comes to this side, this minus comes to this side, and this is what was required to prove. This is the proof. AB square plus CD square, AB square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus BD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. So that is the proof. Now we move on to the next question. Now next question I am considering is question number 12. In this they say ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC is equal to 12 centimeters. So I have drawn a triangle ABC which is isosceles, in which AB and AC, both of them are equal, both are 12 centimeters. So we can say AB is equal to AC is equal to 12 centimeters, and that is given. Then they say that BC is equal to 8 centimeters, and then third point they say find the altitude on BC. Altitude. So for altitude from point A we are drawing a perpendicular on BC at point D. So it means our construction is drawing AD perpendicular to BC. We have to find AD. We have to find the value of AD. So first thing, if we consider in triangle ADB, In triangle ADB, this is 90, so AB will be hypotenuse. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we can say AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Before that, we know that this side and this side are equal. It means angle B and angle C are equal. So we can say, I'm writing it here, in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, what is given? It is given AB is equal to AC. This is already given 12 centimeters, both of them are equal. Second, we can say angle B is equal to angle C, given. Why we can say it is given? Because they say that ABC is an isosceles triangle, and in an isosceles triangle the sides are equal, and we know that if that angles opposite to the equal sides are equal, so angle B and angle C will be equal. Third thing, or we can say angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. Why? By construction. Just now we have constructed AD perpendicular to BC. So this will be 90 degree angle ADC, ADB and angle ADC. Both of them will be 90 degree. So angle side and angle side. So we can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by angle side rule. Now if the triangles are congruent, it implies that this BD and DC are also equal. BD is equal to DC by CPCT. We know that if two triangles are congruent, then all the six elements of one triangle are equal to the corresponding six elements of other triangles. So according to that reason, BD, this small part, is equal to DC, that is this small part. It means D is the midpoint of BC. Now we know that AB in this triangle ABD, we can say that AB square is equal to AD plus BD, but BD is equal to BD square. But BD is half of BC, so we can say AD square plus, in place of BD we can write BD upon 2 whole square, or simply we can say BD is how much? Now we'll substitute the values. AD is AB square, and so we need to find what? AD. So we can say AD square is equal to AB square minus BC upon 2 whole square. We need to find this, so this is here, this comes to the other side, so it becomes negative. Now AB is how much? 12, so 12 square minus BD is 8 upon 2 and its square, so 12 square is 144 minus 8 upon 2 is 4, 4 square is 16. Now 8 and 6 14, 3 minus 1 2, and 128 is AD square. So AD will be under root 128. We'll find out the root of 128. Now when you factorize 128, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8. So 2 root 64, or we can say 64 is 8. 8 root 2 is centimeters is the side of AD, or you can say altitude or height. Height AD we are getting as 8 under root 2 centimeter. This was the first part. Second part, they say also find the area. Now in order to find the area of triangle ABC, since ABC we can calculate what we know, that area of any triangle is first of all given by half into base into height. Half into base into height. So half, what is base? Base is BC and height is AD. Now that can be written as 1 upon 2, base is 8, AD, that is 8 root 2, 8 under root 2. So 2 4s are 8, 8 4s are 32 under root 2 centimeter square is the area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equal to this much. This we got as 8 under root 2 centimeters. So that is the 12th question. Now we move on to the next question. Next question I am taking is question number 14. First part, they say that it is given on the basis of a figure. So they say that ABCD is a quadrilateral. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? A plane figure bounded by 4 straight lines, or a closed figure which is having 4 straight lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4. AB, BC, CD, DA. So this is a quadrilateral ABCD in which AD is 13 centimeter, DC is 12 centimeter, BC is 3 centimeter. We have to find out AB. So you can see that in the same diagram, this quadrilateral is divided into two triangles. One triangle, if you consider lower one, DCB, that is a right angle triangle, and other triangle is ADB. So from the first triangle, we can calculate the length of DB, that is the hypotenuse, because it is opposite to angle C. So first of all, we can say in triangle DBC, what we can have in triangle DBC? We can say DB square is equal to DC square plus BC square. Now DC is 12, so 12 square. BC is 3, so 3 square. 12 square is 144. 3 square is 9. 9 and 4, 13. 153 is DB square. We got the value of DB square. Now in triangle second one, in triangle ABD, we can say that AD square is equal to DB square plus AB square. AD is given to you 13, so just put the value of 13 square is equal to DB square is already 153, so 153 plus AB square. 13 square is 169. This comes to the side, so minus 153 is equal to AB square. So 9 minus 3 is 6. So we can say AB square is equal to 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 16. It means that AB is equal to under root 16. That comes out to be 4 centimeter. So the value of this AB is 4 centimeter. Now we move on to the second part of this question. Now second part of the question 14 is again based on the figure. They say in figure 2 is a given is a quadrilateral ABCD. So ABCD is a quadrilateral given. Then they say in which AB is equal to AD. So I have made two lines. It means AD and AB are equal given. Angle A is equal to 90 degree is equal to angle C is also 90 degree. BC is equal to 8 centimeter. DC is equal to 6 centimeter. We have to find the area of triangle ABD. We know that area of any triangle is half into base into height, and in this triangle base can be considered as AB and height can be considered as AD because this is perpendicular like this. So this can be considered as base and this can be considered as height. So this is height, this is base. It means AB and AD. So basically we have to find out AB and AD and both of them are equal. So we can say let AB is equal to AD is equal to X. If this is X, then this also has to be X. So implies that area will become area of triangle ABD can be written as half into X, or we can say X square upon 2. Half, half. AB was X, so X, and AD was X, so X. So X into X is X square into 1 upon 2. So it becomes X square upon 2. So we have to find basically the value of X square. Now when we consider the other triangle, in triangle BCD, we can see that angle C is 90. So opposite to this is the hypotenuse. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we can say BD square is equal to DC square plus CB square. Now DC is what? 6 square. CB is 8. So 8 square, 6 square is 36 plus 8 square 64. it makes 100, implies that BD is equal to under root 100, that is 10 centimeter. So this BD comes out to be 10 centimeter. Now in this triangle, in triangle ABC, what we can say? We can say AB square plus AD square is equal to BD square. Again, according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to the square of sum of other two sides. So AB square plus AD square. AB was x, so we can say x square. AD was also x, so we can say x square is equal to BD square, and BD was BD square was 100. BD square was 100. So we can say 2 times of x square is equal to 100, implies that x square is equal to 100 upon 2, that is 50 centimeters. And to find the area we need what? X square upon 2. So we can simply say area of triangle ABD is equal to x square upon 2, and x square is 50, so that can be written as 50 upon 2, that comes out to be 25 centimeters square. That is the final value. Now we move on to the next. So now we have done up to 14 questions, means 8, 10, 12, 14, 4-5 questions we have done. Now in next questions or next problems will be considered in the next exercise. Till then, please practice hard and work hard, study hard. Stay blessed. Thank you.